Welcome back to the Mocktail Lab. I'm Holly.
And I'm Ellie.
And tonight we are going to make skinny mocktail mules, perfect for the upcoming Father's Day holiday, a cookout, a barbecue, camping.
Or shrimp on the Barbie if you're from down under. So the first time I had a Moscow Mule was back in 2010, and it was on the Oprah show. And I remember Oprah saying that when she would camp, that Moscow Mules were her favorite cocktail. Well, we've basically recreated this into a skinny mocktail version so that we can feel great, feel like we're getting something a little healthy, and enjoy a fresh mocktail.
Perfect. All right, so should we get started?
Yeah.
Tonight we're going to make these cocktails just right in the copper mule mugs. So we'll start by putting a little dash of simple syrup at the bottom. We don't want to overdo it with sugar. Sometimes that can be just as uncomfortable as having too much alcohol the night before. So we'll start with a dash of simple syrup. We'll pour the juice of lime. So we juiced a few limes here, and we'll add that to the base. And then finally we'll throw in the club soda.
Okay. Oh, I'm gonna use that. How much club soda?
We need a 1/4 cup of club soda.
Per drink. Okay.
Perfect. We went to the garden. We pulled some mint leaves. So we'll add some mint leaves to our mocktail.
So I'm just gonna break them up and throw them in the bottom, and then we'll use a little bit more for the garnish on top.
So Ellie, would we muddle these?
Yeah, let's go ahead
Okay.
and muddle it in here. I think that's a good idea to get the mint flavors going through the mocktail.
Perfect. Looks great.
Okay.
While she's doing that, we don't want to forget, Classic Mule has ginger beer in it. So we are going to add the ginger beer. There is not any alcohol in ginger beer, though the name is a little deceiving.
And I picked up some light ginger beer. The brand is Q, I think. And I picked up the light because, again, we want to make sure that it's a skinny version.
Keeping it skinny for Dad and ourselves. All right, now if you'd like to add an additional garnish of mint, you can do that.
Okay, is there club soda?
Yes, we had the club soda, the 1/4 cup that we plugged in there, so we've got all the components. Our ice.
We need to add some ice. And since we did use the muddler, I think we can share the little bartender kit that we're just in love with.
Oh yes, this is new to the Mocktail Lab. It's got everything in it. All the pieces and components.
A matte black set, and it's awesome. Everything doesn't leak everywhere, and the muddler works really well. All the little tools are great, and it's a great little gift, whether it's a housewarming gift or a hostess gift, or maybe somebody's got a birthday coming up. It's a great gift. It's a really cute set. All right, and then are we missing anything?
Ginger beer, mint leaves, club soda, simple syrup, crushed ice.
Super easy peasy. Okay, and then we're just going to use a little bit of mint as a garnish there.
Looks good.
Actually, we'll use this one. Okay. All right.
All right, here we go.
Cheers.
Ooh, that's good.
Oh, that's refreshing. Actually, you know what, Holly? Let's use straws for this one.
Perfect. All right.
And you can stir it up a little. Oh, that is good.